Hey guys, so come with me to change the tires for my Tesla Model Y, and I waited for the worst day to go and get this done, and I have to drive 70 kilometers one way. Don't ask me why, but let's go figure this thing out. Okay, so I'm 90% charged, or almost. Gives me a range of 472 kilometers and about an hour drive. And right now outside the temperature is about -5 and it's just starting to snow. So let's get on this journey. All right, since I have a long road trip, I just picked up a Starbucks, and now just about to enter the highway 403, and then I gotta take the 401. Okay, so it took me about a half hour to get it done, and they were nice enough to place the tires at the back. Now let's go check out the new wheels. So I went from 20-inch to 19 with Michelin X-Size tires and TPMS, and total cost about $3,100 to get this done, and they look not too bad. Okay, so return home is about 81 kilometers, and I'll be home with 45% battery remaining at about 4:40 p.m. Eastern time. But I am going to stop to grab a bite on my way. So nope.
Alright, what for you today?
Can I get a small coffee double, please?
Small double?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it.
Alright.
Yeah. Thank you. It's not every day that you come to Scarborough, so I had to get some food from here. I need to do one more stop, which is not too far from here, so I just had some good food and go pick up a gift and then going home. Okay, so done with the errands, just leaving now. So again, I have about an hour and I should be home with 39% battery life. And just to show you guys, it is terrible outside, so I'm glad that I got my winter tires on. Okay, I'm back with 188 kilometer range left, and took me a while, but I just want to say I'm extremely happy with these rims. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to Ottawa. Let's see.